Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Lecturer of Quantitative Research in ELT, Mrs. Nita Sarina Ruta Dewi, SPD MPD. In this occasion, my name is Dr. Rahman Hadid from Class A. Would like to present my research proposal with the title, A Survey Study, the Measurement of EFL Student Engagement in Role-Play Activities in a Professional Listening and Speaking Course. These presentations will cover the introductions, significance, the data review, research method, and the technical aspect of the study. First is background of the study. In the field of EFL learning, student engagement plays an essential role in helping students succeed. When students are engaged, they participate more actively, enjoy the learning process, and invest the effort in understanding the material. Role-play is one activity that can support this engagement because it gives students a chance to practice English in real-life situations, and it encourages interactions, build confidence, and also helps students speak more naturally. However, previous studies show that engagement might not be equal across all dimensions. Students might participate actively but may not always feel emotionally connected or mentally focused. And this leads to my central research questions. What is the level of student engagement in role-play activities within the professional listening and speaking course? And with the main object is to measure the overall level of engagement and its specific behavioral, emotional, and cognitive dimensions. The findings are expected to provide the lecturers with the clear guidance to improve the use of role-play and to help students also to reflect on their own learning and offer a validated instrument for future researches. Next is the data review, theoretical framework. In this part, I explain the two main theories of my research. The first is student engagement, which consists of three parts: behavioral engagement, which relates to participations and effort; emotional engagement, which includes interest and enjoyment and feeling of belonging; cognitive engagement, which refers to mental effort or strategy to use. Also, this model is based on Friedrich Blomfield and Paris 2004. The second theory is role-play. According to Harmar 2015, role-play is effective because it stimulates real-life communications and creates a low-anxiety environment, also encourage creativity and fluency. And this makes role-play suitable for speaking course. And for the previous research report, this studies by Kasbani and Sally and Putri et al. Showed that role-play enhances speaking skill and increase engagement. But however, other studies in Indonesia, like those Hasdina and Ningrum, reveal that engagement levels can vary significantly across different dimensions. This highlights a gap. There are limited studies that combine role-play with a full measurement of all three engagement dimensions at the university level, which is what my research addresses. Now is research methods. To address this, I will employ a quantitative descriptive survey design, and with the population is all 174 students from the Professional Listening and Speaking course 2024, and I will use a total population sampling technique. Next is data collections and analysis. The main instrument is a 9-item questionnaire based on Friedrich's framework with 3 items for each dimensions. Also, the pilot test will be conducted within 20 students, and reliability will be ensured by achieving a converged alpha of at least 0.70. The questionnaire used a 4-main Likert scale where students indicate their agreement with the statement about the experience during role-play. Also, for the clarity, in the study, behavioral engagement is defined as observable participations, emotional engagement as interest and enjoyment, and cognitive engagement as mental effort and strategy to use. Also, the data will be collected via an online Google form over a 2-week period. The analysis will use descriptive statistics in SPSS to calculate mean scores and standard deviations. The total scores from the questionnaire will be interpreted into categorized engagement levels, and frequency distribution will show how many students fall into each category for a clear overall picture. The research is scheduled from January to August 2016, following January 2026, following the key stage from proposal preparations and instrument development to data collections, analysis, and final thesis defense. That concludes the presentations of my research proposal. Thank you for your attention, and I am ready for any questions and feedback.